everybody? Welcome back. I got my primer and my cement, and we're gonna start putting this thing together. I have a hammer here because some of the pieces don't want to come off, and me and my dad have been trying to get these pieces off, and this one in particular does not want to come off. Oh, and also I filmed the intro, but then paused it, and it took me like an hour to do this and get all the stuff ready. Let me just fix that. So I'm just gonna make it short and simple. We're gonna put it together, hopefully. We did this piece off camera. This took the longest, I would say, because we didn't have the bit for this. So we had to take a 1/2-inch bit and use that and just keep drilling and drilling until this thing could fit in. But we did it, and as you can see, I cemented it and used the primer on it, which is the purple stuff. Yeah, I already primed the inside of this, which is gonna go there. This is like the end. It goes like this, and it was over there, yeah, but this is gonna go inside there, and then we're gonna have this piece like that, and then we're gonna have this piece like that, and you can just see where it goes. Like we have another long piece, and then something goes your direction like this, like that, but we have this long piece, and then we have this which goes there, and it goes my direction, and then we have the thing that goes up. And the purple stuff is not sticky at all, I don't think, at least, but it will stain your skin. My dad told me that. So that's why I'm wearing gloves. Yeah, let's get to gluing this. So we have our glue here, right? This is what it looks like. Yeah, you don't want to have it out for too long. So we have to put it on the inside of this and on the outside of this, because we're gonna bind it together. Okay, you guys ready? Guys ready? So we're just gonna like that on the outside. Then we're gonna put some on the inside, put it back, and then we have to put it in and hold it. My dad said for 30 seconds we have to hold it. So yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I got a haircut. You like it? Cool. I got a haircut, so yeah. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna cut all the stuff out where I'm doing this. I can't really do a time lapse because I'm using a tablet camera, and yeah, that should be good. Yeah, we're just gonna let that dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm just gonna show you that. Yeah, we're just gonna do this real quick before I start anything else. So you just do that, put it back, and then we have to wait for it to dry, which does not take long. Actually, it's like the shortest thing here. It does not take long at all. And this stuff, it's just the primer. It cleans out all the stuff and gets ready for the actual glue that glues it all together. And as you can see, it's not looking the best, and And the reason why I didn't stick to my schedule before was the part didn't show up, which is this part, which actually is the wrong part because it's threaded. I know, we waited that long for a piece that's threaded. Worthless to me. So either we could get something else that's threaded, or we could just get another part. And we have a problem with getting something that's threaded, because the piece that's supposed to be threaded is actually hold on, the piece that goes onto here. See, it goes into here, it fits snug. Now if you have a piece that's like this but threaded, we're gonna have some problems because the air can escape, and the whole point of it being like this is so it's pressurized and we have to hold it in place. And I suggested that we find something to do with that, like with this, because the way how it was supposed to be is we have this, and it goes in here, right? And then we have this piece goes in there. And this piece goes in here, and then you use the rod. It goes in one side, loops back, comes out the other side. So actually, no, down here. It loops in one side, and comes back on the other side. So the bottle stays in place when it's getting pressurized. But we can't really do that with something that's threaded, because, as you guys know, it doesn't go in. It's meant for slip-on. Yeah. But I'll get back to cementing, and yeah. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. We have this so far. This is all we have done. All this is glued and stuff. Now we have a problem. Okay, so I went ahead and put all the stuff on here, and we're ready to go. But this whole middle section right here will not come off for some reason, and that's not a good thing necessarily, because you can't put stuff on it. And if we make the final product and say it works, and all this is just like on, and I can't get it off, that might be a problem. Now, real quick, on camera, I'm gonna try to whack this off. I don't know why I didn't try this before. It's not seeming to work. Oh, got it. Now we just have to do that with the other side, and hopefully this T will come off, so we can actually do the work that we need to do. Okay, we got it. So now we're gonna apply the stuff onto here. Leave that to dry. And then apply it right there. And then leave that to dry. The T fell down there. And we need to get these two parts right here, there, and there. Now we'll leave that to dry. Now my hands, they don't look the best. All the glue and primer on my hands is pretty bad. But I've sat here and did this for a solid like 15 minutes, and this is what I get. Yeah. I guess next episode I'll have all this done, and we'll test it. Hopefully. If we don't test it and we end up doing another building video, then I'm sorry about that. Comment down below if you would like me to make another building video, or have the next video be on launching the rocket. I'm planning to launch it this weekend, but it probably won't happen. It's supposed to rain on Sunday, so I'm going to try to do it Saturday. I'll probably post another video tomorrow, but I guess that's all for now. Bye.